In the arithmetic and logical thinking, number systems, divisibility rules, percentages, profit and loss, discount, these are the topics. So many are there. But today I want to discuss only divisibility rules. In another FTP, I want to introduce remaining topics. But today I want to discuss only divisibility rules and number system. You know the number system? The number system is rational number system, whole number system, real number system. These are the complex number system also there. In the number system, we have some basic problems. They are the HCF and LCM. We all know in our childhood days. What is the HCF means? Highest to common factors. First of all, if you take any number, the common factors are, suppose 24 is the number, the common factors are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. They are the factors. And 36 also, 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6, 6, 36. In these two factors, what are the common? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. In the common factors, highest common factor is 12.
Well.
This is the HCF. Okay? Next. LCM. Same numbers 24 and 36. The LCM is here least common multiples. Multiples means 2 table, 3 table. 2 multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There. Similarly, 24 multiples are 24 ones are 24 twos are 24 threes are. They are the multiples. So we have to take many multiples, but factors are some. But here are the many multiples. And also 36 multiples are 36 ones are 32 twos are 3s are 4s are 5s are. So common multiples we have to take common multiples. They are the 72 and 144 and so on. So in that common multiples, least common multiple are 72. Okay, this is the LCM. So I want to introduce one formula. LCM into HCF equal to, if you take the number 24 into 36, this is the formula. It is useful for computer exam also. Here in the first slide, highest HCF is 12. In second slide, LCM is LCM is 72. The numbers are set in two problems, 24 and 36. In that problem, these two numbers, let us place A and B. The multiplication of these two is equal to
HCM.
72 into 12. We have to check. Okay. Next, this is the number system. It is not only number system, but I will take one simple problem. Okay. Next, divisibility rules. What is the divisible means? 4 divided by 2. Completely, if you divide the number, the remainder is 0. That is the divisible. Okay. If when a number A divides a number B, then say that E is divisible by A. Okay. And then, 2 divided by 4 means that is 2. We have to write 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. But in mathematics, we read as B is divisible by A. 2 is divisible by 4. Small difference is there. Divisible means 2 by 4. Divided by means 4 by 2. These two are equal in mathematics.
Divisible, divided.
Divisible and divided. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 divisible by 4 is also 2. Okay. So next, there are the, we know very well, one number how to, without any simplification, without any calculation, how it is divisible. Okay. There are the so many rules. Two rules Without
Okay.
any calculator, we have to check. So here I take one example 12375 12,375. In here ones place is 5, that means odd number.
So,
It is not
not.
divisible by 2. Okay, next. Third rule. What is the third rule? If you take any number, I have taken already previous number 12,375. The sum of the digits is multiple of 3. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5. The sum is 18. 18 is in 3 table.
Hmm.
We know 18 is in 3 table. So the total number is divisible by 3. Okay. Next, fourth rule. What is the fourth rule means? If you take any large number that we don't need, but here 28, 76, 54, 35, it is a very large number. It is difficult to divide by 4 in short time.
Hmm.
So what is the fourth rule means? The last 2 digits, and that means ones place and tens place. Here is 32 is the number. So if it is the last 2 digits are divisible by
3.
mistake is 4. If it
4.
is divisible by 4, the total number is divisible by 4. Okay. Here 32 is the last 2 digits. It is in the fourth table, so it is divisible by 4. Next, fifth rule is very easy. In the fifth table also 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. In the ones place, if it is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. That is very simple. And sixth rule is, it is dependent on 2 and 3. Because the prime factors are 2 and 3. What is the factors means? That is another topic. Which numbers are divided by 6? That is divided by 1 number, that is the factors, prime factors. So here 6 is the number. The prime factors are 2 and 3. So if you want to take one number divisible by 24, that means that is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. If that number follows these 2 properties of rules, then 6 is divisible by that number. For example, 24. 24 is, here is the 1's place is 4, so it is divisible by 2. And the sum of the 2 digits, 3 rule means the sum of the 2 digits 2 plus 4 is 6. That is also divisible by 3. So here this number follows the second rule and third rule. Therefore 6th rule also applicable.
Okay.
There is no particular formula for the 6th. Next, 8th rule. 8th rule is similar to 4th rule. 4th rule is last 2 digits are divisible by 4, but here last 3 digits are divisible by 4. 8. Okay. Last 3 digits. 432. 432 is divisible by 8, so total number is divisible by 8. Next, 9th rule. Same, it is similar to 3rd rule. What is the 3rd rule? The sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Here also sum of the digits are 45 to this number. So it is 45 is in the 9th table, so it is divisible by 9. Next, 11th rule. It is different from others. Here 11th rule is, if you take for example, with the example it is easy to understand. 61,809. It is the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Even digits and odd digits. Here 6, 8, 9 are the odd digits. 1, 0 are the even digits. Here the difference between sum of the odd digits and sum of the even digits.
Oh.
So here sum of the odd digits are 6 plus 8
plus 9.
That is 23. And even digits are 1 and 0. That is 1. So the difference between these two, sum of these two are 22. 22
Other.
All rules. What is that means? Selective rule is if you take any number, the last digit, that means units place, multiple by 2 and subtract the remaining 2. Here I take 574. The last digit is 4. Double the last digit, that is 8. 4 into 2 means 8. Remaining number is 57. 57 minus 8, that is 49. 49
Okay.
is in the 7th table, so it is used with the 7. Okay. We have here now, if it is 3 digits, if it is 4 digits, how we take? Same, that one
Last
are
digit.
6 to the double digit. And 395 minus 12 is 385. Again, it is a big number. So, again, last digit is 5 into 2, 10. 38 minus 10 is 28. 28 is used in the 7. So, you have it out. So, you will power is